Over the last 12 months, we've been working with schools in lots of different ways. We've been able to provide bespoke training in all sorts of ways and at all sorts of different levels within a school, be it with one or two teachers, sometimes in a department setting or senior management setting. Whole school training, we've delivered now training to up to 150 teachers in one go. We've also then worked with teams within a school and even the pupils as well. And so over the next forthcoming 12 months, we aim to expand this provision and be providing specialist support for schools in all sorts of ways in an online format. Obviously, we hope to return to some sort of face-to-face training by the end of that year, but however, we'll obviously react to the circumstances that we find ourselves in. If you have any requests, specific requests that you would like us to look at, please feel free to contact us and then we can talk through your specific requirements in due course.